Hello!
Hello, Tita Esther.
Happy birthday!
We wish you good health and more blessings. I hope you have fun on your birthday celebration. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Esther. Good health always.
Happy
Enjoy
birthday,
your
mother.
birthday. Happy birthday po, Auntie. God bless.
Love
I love
you.
you.
Mwah,
From
Choo
New York
choo.
City, USA. New York City.
Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday, maayos na kalusugan, at stay beautiful siyempre, and then always happy. All the very best. And we miss you, Nana Ter, na sana sa susunod mong birthday, magkasama-sama na tayo. At nandyan kami, siyempre.
Happy birthday, Nanatel! Wish you all the best. Sana laging masaya. Enjoy your day. We miss you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Happy
birthday, Lola Esther. Hope you have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Ter. We love you and I wish more and more birthdays to come. Mom.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter. More birthday, more life, and more blessings.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter. Enjoy dyan sa Pilipinas. Sana one day makatin kami ng birthday mo. Doon na siguro sa Canada soon. Ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter. More years old to come. More healthy.
health. Yung wealth,
God
madami
bless.
na kayo niyan. Health na lang tayo.
God bless.
God bless.
Hi! Hello! From Bahrain to Canada. Kumusta po kayo, Ninang Ter, Ninong Ed? Happy 75th birthday po, Ninang Ter. Regards dyan sa lahat na nasa Canada. Ingatan nawa po kayo palagi. Salamat sa Diyos. At inabot nyo pa ang edad na ito. Sobrang pasasalamat. Kumusta po kayo dyan, Jing? Si Jeline? Regards po sa Gabos, sa inyong mga aki. Love you all. Miss you. Bye.
Happy 75th birthday, Lola Esther. Happy 75th birthday, Lola Esther.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I wish this year brings you fine health. Cheers to 75 amazing years. God bless you always. From Qatar. We love you.
Love you po.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter.
Happy birthday. Come back soon.
Yes, we miss you. We miss the food.
Diamond Jubilee birthday, Mama Ter. We love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Mama Ter. Papa Jesus bless you for my birthdays to come. Stay healthy and beautiful. Love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Mama. I love you and I want you to know that although we're not there, we are happy that you're celebrating your 75th birthday with our relatives and of course your friends. I'm always grateful to God that He blessed you with such 75 years of your life and enjoy your party and have a blast. Love you so much and Mama.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter.
I'm sorry I couldn't be there to celebrate with you, but I greet you on this day for your birthday. That I hope all blessings and prayers to you for your longer life, and I hope this message sends you well. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Ter!
Thanks for cooking.
Spaggy!
Thanks for always being here for us, Mommy. We love you, and we wish you all the happiness and good health and safe travels all the time. We miss you and we love you again.
Kari.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hope you're enjoying the party.
We wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Enjoy your vacation.
We'll see you in December. We
Love
love
you.
H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, Mama Ter. Love you. Mwah.